If I wanna say it, saying that if I, oh yes, I'm gonna say it. I'm saying that if I'm gonna say it, I'm saying that if I wanna say it. So Miss a Queen and Son Kisser, if I say your name, did you know that I wanna say you? So DJ 44, the synergy, the thank you for the coming through the what I really gonna do. So if I say the DT Hope of 23 TV, then if I say your name, I say it with my chest. So if I'm talking about the Kendall Wilkinson, you know his name is Christian, and you know he sings the best. Saying that if I, oh when I say that if I'm saying that if I, oh when I say that if I, saying that if I, oh when we got the if I, saying that if I, oh when I say that if I, so if I say the rooted in a century or today, did you know I'm gonna go and say your name? Saying that everybody that I'm saying the name that wasn't on my live, so I'm gonna put it in this thing. Saying that if I say a real zillion that is in the house, is showing a lover to the motivator. Saying the motivators, everybody talking about, oh yeah, they say they really are a savior. Saying that if I, so if I'm saying that if I'm saying that if I'm talking about the if I'm saying that if oh when I say that if I'm saying that if I'm saying it with the if saying the Michael Mudray came in up in the chat and he said just some more words I want to sing. The end I seen the Timber Wilson in the house today, and I know you doing what you do today. So everybody's in the house, they showing some love, and they saying what they really want to say. But if I say your name, I'm showing some love, and I'm gonna show love my way. Say that if oh when I say that if I'm saying that if oh when I say that if I'm saying that if oh when I say that if I'm saying that if oh when I say that if send the Karen in the garden if I say your name. Did you like to say your name today? When I see the DJ coming in today, and I'm gonna say your name my way. Send the David Corey with the dropper, yes with the dropper. If I say your name up on a song. When I send it everybody name it, yes I'm over here. Then put your name up when I'm on a song. Send it if oh when I send it if I'm saying that if oh when I'm saying that if I'm saying that if so when I say that if oh when the if I'm talking about the if send a hurrah 2 times when I say your name today. If I say your name over here today, would I make you happy today? If I say it my way, do you like the way I say your name today? And then your very sports highlight coming in, and I'm gonna say your name today. With the robber getting in the house, or when I say your name, and if I say your name, I hit it with my chest. Got the uncle partner with diarrhea, Shamika coming over here, that she's the best. You could also call her Shamika, because that's what we doing with all chest. And we also got the sassy just to say your name. If I say it, their name with the rest, I'm saying it if I. So when I say it if I, I'm saying it if I. Oh, when I'm saying it if I, I'm saying it if I. I'm talking about the if I. I'm saying it if I. I'm talking about the if I. I said that if I say your name over here today, when I put your name on a song, saying that yes, I'm over here just to showing you love when I put you on a song. Said that if I say your name, I would say it with my chest, and I'm gonna say the best I can. Saying that yes, I'm the J. Saying that if I say your name, and you know I understand. I'm saying that if I, oh, when I say that if I, talking about the if I, oh, when I say that 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 if I, oh, yes, with the if I.